Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to read a new lesson. It's a story of three little pigs, namely Sonu, Monu, and Gonu. Sonu lived in a straw made house. Look at this straw made house, children. This is a straw made house. Monu lived in a stick made house. Look at this picture. This is a stick made house. And Gonu lived in a brick made house. This is a brick made house. Brick made house is always very strong. Look at these houses again. This is a straw made house. Straw, you know what's the meaning of straw? Dry and long grass. घास फूस उसका बना होता है. Dry and long grass. Straw made house. Stick made house. Stick means piece of wood. लकड़ी का टुकड़ा. छोटे छोटे लकड़ियों के टुकड़ों से बना होता है ये घर. Stick made house. And then this one is brick made house. Fired clay. ईंटों से बना हुआ घर. बहुत ही मजबूत होता है, बहुत ही स्ट्रांग होता है ये. Sonu lived in a straw made house, Gonu lived in a brick made house, and Monu lived in a stick made house. One day a wolf came and blew the house of Sonu and Monu. Sonu and Monu ran to Gonu's house. Wolf could not blow Gonu's house because it was very strong. Wolf gave up, and Sonu, Monu, and Gonu all lived in the brick made house. बेटा ये तीन छोटे सुअरों की कहानी है. सोनू, मोनू और गोनू की कहानी है. सोनू घास फूस से बने घर में रहता था. मोनू लकड़ी से बने घर में रहता था. गोनू ईंट से बने घर में रहता था, ईंटों से बने घर में रहता था. एक दिन एक भेड़िया आया और उसने सोनू और मोनू का घर उड़ा दिया. सोनू और मोनू गोनू के घर भागे. भेड़िया गोनू का घर नहीं उड़ा पाया. क्यों नहीं उड़ा पाया? क्योंकि वह मजबूत था. वो ब्रिक्स से बना हुआ घर था, ईंटों से बना हुआ घर था, मजबूत घर था. वो उड़ा नहीं पाया. भेड़िए ने हार मान ली और सोनू, मोनू और गोनू तीनों ईंट से बने घर में रहने लगे. This is the picture of three pigs and wolf. Now we are going to read this story. You will listen to it carefully. After listening the whole story, you will also do the reading of this lesson twice. Children, please listen carefully. Listen and enjoy this story. Once there were three little pigs, Sonu, Monu, and Gonu. Sonu lived in a house of straw. Monu lived in a house of sticks. And Gonu lived in a house of bricks. Look at these three houses. This is a straw house, straw made house. This is a straw made house. This is stick made house. And this is brick made house. So, Sonu lived in a house of straw. Monu lived in a house of sticks. And Gonu lived in a house of bricks. One day, a big bad wolf came to Sonu's house. This is a bad wolf. Look at this bad wolf. He said, I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down. So he huffed and he puffed and he blew the house down. Sonu ran to Monu's house. The wolf came to Monu's house. He said, I will huff and puff and I will blow your house down. So he huffed and he puffed and he blew the Monu's house down. Then what happened? Sonu and Monu ran to Gonu's house. Just see, they ran to Gonu's house. The wolf came to Gonu's house. He said, I will huff and puff and will blow your house down. So he huffed and puffed, but he could not blow the brick house down. It was very strong. The wolf went away, and Sonu, Monu, and Gonu lived happily together in the red brick house. This was all about three pigs and a wolf. Now there are few new words. You will also repeat after me. Listen. It means to hear. Suno. Straw. I'll show you the new words. Listen. To hear. Suno. Straw. Dry and long grass. Ghas foos. Stick. Piece of wood. Lakdi ka tukda. Brick. Fired clay. Int. Huff and puff. Blow out in air. हवा में उड़ा देना. Strong. Very hard. मजबूत. Together. With each other. एक साथ. आखिरकार वो तीनों लिटिल थ्री पिग्स इकट्ठे रहे. All lived in a brick made house. This was all about the story of three little pigs. Now, children, you will also read the lesson carefully, and you will also read the lesson carefully and then join the class.